Hi, you're not here by mistake. Here is a quick and easy hairstyle that you can pull off anytime, anywhere. Stay tuned. Hi, it's Buzo, and in this video I'll be showing you in details how to create this particular updo as a beginner hairstylist. So first thing, I like to go in with my blow dryer because the hair is a bit due. So I use my blow dryer to stretch the hair out so that it will be very easy for me to lay. It's basically you trying to do a ponytail. So you place the bun, you tie the hair wherever you desire. If it's a low bun, a high bun, anywhere you want. You want to make sure you get all the strands of your client's hair, all the little strands from the front everywhere, so that it would look flawless. I'm using a wrapped strip band to tie it down because during the makeup process sometimes the hair tends to fly away, especially the little strands in front. So when you tie it down, it stays flawless up until the end of the makeup. So depending on the height, the volume of the hair you're trying to do, that determines the type of bun you use, and you want to make sure you pin it down very tight on her hair. So you basically place the hair bun whichever size you desire, then use your bobby pin to pin it down very tight. You might also want to ask your client to wiggle her head after placing it so that you make sure it wouldn't fall off during the process of the occasion or whatever the client is using the hair for. So in order to work together with the makeup artist, I make sure to start from the back so that as the makeup artist is doing her makeup, I'm also working. If you're a beginner hairstylist, you should know this is very important to save your client's time and also save your own time as well. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video to anyone you'd know might need it. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you very much. You know how we do it here. So here is a detail on how you do this style. What you would want to do is pin it down, pin your attachment down to your bun and onto her hair, and then you want to twist. Nepa has done it again. Nigerians, imagine. Sorry about that. So you would want to twist the attachment, twist it with your finger, twist and then pin down, twist and pin down. That's basically what you do from the beginning till the end of this particular style. One thing about this hair is that it's an all-time hairstyle. Year in, year out, people still rock it with attachments, with their wigs, with everything. So you can see this closely. I twist and pin, twist and pin with your finger. That's basically what you're doing in this video. Just twist and pin down, twist it and pin it down. I'll be attaching a video, a similar video on here. If you go on my channel, you would see a particular video that has the same style. Probably get more info there, but after watching this, I believe you should be able to do this on your own. Let me know if you try this hairstyle, and also if you try it, let me know how it went. You can see how I untied the wrap strip and everything was still looking smooth, slicked down, well laid. So this is basically what you do. So after everything, you might want to step back, look at your work and make sure that both sides are equal, and then you get your scissors and trim off every excess attachment that is flying out. Then you get your holding spray or oil sheen spray and then spray it to add little shine. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video.